Everyone from the Rhineland Pfalz MWR Library in Landstuhl. I'm Miss Bree, and today we are going to make it rain. You're going to need either a clear glass or a clear bowl of water. You're going to need foaming shaving cream and food coloring. That's it. So the first thing you're going to do is fill your container up with water almost to the edge. Then you're going to put shaving cream to make a cloud. So, does anyone know why it rains? So what happens is we have evaporated water that goes up into the clouds. All right, that's a good cloud. And as it starts to gather into the clouds, so this is our evaporating, as it starts to gather into the clouds get heavy. And as the clouds get heavy, they get bigger, they get darker, and it takes quite a bit. And you can pick whichever food coloring that you want. I like mixing the colors. I think it's fun. And here soon, it gathers at the bottom, and there we have our rain. So again, you can mix whichever colors you want. And it starts to rain. You guys see it? And then it creates a cycle that does it over and over and over again. All right, everybody, bye.